Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to play Anyone by Justin Bieber on the keyboard. I'm first going to show you how verse 1 sounds and then I'll go through each individual line and do that for each verse until we've learnt the whole song. So if you want to hear how the song sounds all the way through, then skip to the time on the screen and it will take you to the end of the video where I've combined all of the verses. But otherwise, here is verse 1 and I hope you enjoy the video. Line of verse 1 is, so it's A, G, A sharp, F. So again that is. The second line is, which is A 4 times. And then 3 G's. So again that is. The next line is, which is 4 A's, G, A sharp, F. And the final line of verse 1 is, which is 4 A's, G, G, G. So again that is. So that is verse 1, let's play it again. The next part to learn is the pre-chorus, and this is how it sounds. So the first line of the pre-chorus is, so it's C, F, E, D, D, C, 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 F, E, D, D, C. So again that is. The second line of the pre-chorus is, which is A sharp, C, 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 A sharp, A, G. So that was 6 C's there. So again that is. The next line is, which is F, A, G, A sharp, F, A, G, 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 F. So again that final line is. So that is the pre-chorus, let's play it again. The next part to play is the chorus, and this is how it sounds. So the first line of the chorus is which is A, G, F, A sharp, C, D, C, C, A, G, G. Again, that is. The second line is which is F, A, G, F, A sharp, C, D, C, C, A, G, G. Again, that is. The next line is which is D, E, F, E, D, C, A sharp, C, F, A, G, G. Again, that is. And the final line of the chorus is so it's F, A, G, F, A sharp, C, D, C, C, A, G, 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 F, F. So again, that is. So that is the chorus. Let's play it again. Chorus, the next part to learn is verse 2, and this is how it sounds. So verse 2 is just 2 lines. The first is so it's 4 A's, G, A sharp, F, 4 A's, G, G, G. So again, that is. And the next line is. So it's A sharp, C, D, F, A, G, G, G. So that is verse 2. Let's play it again. Verse 2, you can play the pre-chorus and the chorus again twice, and that's everything for this song. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.